FC Cincinnati athletes are taking a break from practice to brighten the day of parents of infants who are in critical care. They visited moms and siblings of children at UC Medical Center's neonatal intensive care unit. The visit hit home for FC Cincy striker Omar Cummins, whose children were born prematurely and had to spend time in the neonatal ICU. One of them actually died, and Cummins said he wasn't going to miss out on visiting the parents today.
I feel what these parents are going through, what the nurses are going through, and I wish them all the best, and I can't cheer for them enough.
Oh. The players also took pictures and signed soccer balls for the siblings of those babies.